What's up, y'all? Jason from JTV Life here. Right now I'm tuning and rejetting and re-rodding my Edelbrock carburetor for my 85 Monty SS, and I ran into a problem where the secondary jets were stuck and I wanted to change them. So this is how I got them out. So I went to Harbor Frieght, bought this super cheap little screw extractor set. It was like 10 bucks, right? And the smaller sizes, I wouldn't even have to drill a hole. They fit right inside the jet, but I couldn't get my drill on them. So I went with the number 3 size. This is super easy. Pick the size extractor that's gonna work, and then pick the corresponding drill bit. Now these are counterclockwise drill bits, so you wanna go left, not right. Drill through. Make sure you don't push too hard though, because you don't want to go beyond where the jet sits and null up the inside of the bottom of the carb there. Then once you're done, if it's really stuck, you could take the bit and hammer it in there. But I just attach it to the drill ahead of time because it's a little bit easier, and the clearance is just enough to make this work over the top of kind of where the gasket goes, and you don't want to maul all that up. Then that's also counterclockwise. Just hit it with the drill and make sure you got a good hold of it, and it'll back right out just like that, guys. I hope that helps. If you like little tutorials, how-tos, and tips like this, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Peace.